the second question.
For what value of n
Maths class.
are the nth terms of the following
So good afternoon.
two APs? The
Yesterday
same.
we solved the
APs are
problem for
13, 19,
progression,
25, etc.
which is
And
of
69, 68,
term.
69,
Some
etc.
of the middle term.
Okay.
How many middle
Also
terms are
find
there?
this.
Whether the number of
So we
terms
have to
of
find
an
out the
arithmetic progression
n.
is even.
Then
Then
that
there
means
are
number of
middle
terms. We have to
You
find
have
out
two middle terms.
which
If
term
the
of these
number of
two
terms of
APs
an
are
arithmetic progression is
same.
an odd number, then
Yeah.
definitely
So
we will
this is
have
the
only one
question.
middle term.
Now, how
Then
to
based on
proceed
that
this question?
middle terms
For
we
that,
are find out
first let us
that
take
the
the two
twice the middle
APs
term is equal
nth
to
term.
sum of the first and last term.
Let
Also we solved that the sum of the middle terms
Nth
is equal
term.
to sum of the first and last term.
okay.
And also we are solved the
Or
problems like finding the number of
APs
terms from the end. From the end, for that we are used formula. We are used the formulas. You have to take like this.
or
Nth term or minus
n
n minus 1 into
treated as
an. The formula
This is
we are using to find the number of
Again,
terms from the
small
end.
a.
That is the one.
Now,
And also yesterday we solved the problems like this. When they are giving an AP, then we have to find out the 21st term, which is 120 more than the 21st term.
is
So look at this. Which term of the AP, 19
This
minus
AP,
30, this is the AP given AP.
now of this
another
AP,
one.
which is the
For
term which is
nth term.
120 more than the 21st term. Okay. Now,
A
how to solve this problem?
A equals, so
First thing is
what? Capital D equals solution as a 68 minus 69 equals minus 1.
Yeah. So now we are finding the nth term of the two APs.
Are you clear this? The first one we are taken that as the nth term as an, and here the nth term as capital An.
First
For
find
this, first term is small a, then common difference is small d. Here for this,
Then
first term is 69 and common difference is capital D. 120
Now,
21 is equal to term a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the nth term of the first one. Similarly, then an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into capital D. So we should take like this. For this problem, we should solve like this. Understood? Now, here is an. N, right, is equal to a means 30, which terms, n we have to minus 1, d is 6. Now look at this. Similarly,
this problem,
first
an
find out
is
equal to 21st term, we should find minus 1.
After finding that
21st term,
minus 1,
add
120 to that.
d value is negative.
Add
So
120
use
to
the
21st term. Now,
and
then
here is
take that number.
After adding 120 to 21st term,
Take that number as an.
6,
That is the
minus
nth term.
6.
Should take it as nth term.
And then
use the formula.
an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into
Plus
d
into
minus n
Minus
is
the
the minus
proceed.
plus 1. The steps of solving this problem.
Yeah.
Is understood? Now, the first thing is 21st term. To find out that, let us write a is in minus 6 is 3. This is the n is equal to the first t minus 3. And here is a is equal to, right,
69
n
plus 1 is
equals
70 minus
1.
should find out the 21st term. So n is equal to
21.
now
Here, for what value of n
equal to
or the nth
plus
terms
n
of the
minus
following
1 to
APs are
d.
same.
And a
And the terms are
a value is
same.
3.
Okay, these are the
21
nth
minus
terms
1
of these two
into d value
APs.
is
So these two
1.
APs are same. They given that.
3.
So
Plus
what you can do is
now
equate these two. A n is equal to A n. This is according to statement. According to statement, nth term of this AP should be equal to nth term of this AP. Clear? Now write down this 6n
Second part
plus
is
7 is equal to 17 minus, then second part is what? Add 120 to
this to
21st term. 6n minus n is 7n plus is equal to 70 minus 243. Now 7n is equal to 63. Then 6n is equal to 63
the
by
sum
of 7.
So
A21
is
plus
equal to
129. This you should take it as an. So what value of n is, or the nth terms of the following APs are same. So n value is 7. For this value, the two nth terms of the two APs, the given APs, nth terms of these two given APs are same. Okay, so that is the n is equal to 9.
So
So you have to write down the sentence like for n is equal to 9. For n is equal to 9, the nth terms of these two APs, you have to write these two APs are should take it as 360. And also find this term. Find this
n
term.
minus 1
So shall I write here only?
is equal to 369
This one
minus
or
3.
Shall I rub this?
Right?
So for what value is over? Now finding that term.
Yeah.
Which term of that?
n minus 1.
So
Equals
n
60 equal to
right?
12.
A plus
n minus 1 into
d. So 10. Okay.
n
So
minus 1 is equal
which
to
term of this? Ninth term
N is equal
of
to
both the
one plus
A 9.
n is equal to
A means what? Here is 13.
the answer
Plus
of
this
this
n is
9 minus
term of
1
AP.
and d
is 31st term. That means 13 plus 8 into 6. 13 plus is 40, 120. Now 20, 61. More. A9 is 61 is the term. Right. Understood? So next is once again the steps.
The second
First,
one.
what you have to write? Let us take the
one.
first. Find out the 21st term. Then add 120 to 21st term.
t.
Take it as an. Then use the formula an is equal to
69.
n plus 1 is 9 plus n minus 1 into
d means
minus 1. So this is our procedure
Here
how to
is
solve the
69.
problem. Now plus take this one into minus 1. Find out the 21st term minus then second you will get the an nth
both the
term.
terms.
Use this nth
Nth
term
term
then
of
find out both. So it
same.
shows that 31st term is 120 more.
Yeah.
So this is the
That
way to solve the
that
problem. Understood?
Then
First, find out the nth term first of first. So
AP,
let us then check
nth
this
term of the
whether the
second
second
AP
is right or
equate
wrong.
with the
nth term you will get n. So for what value of n is equal to 9, both the APs are equal. Nth terms are same. Nth term of this one and 61. Both the terms. Ninth terms of both are 61 and 61.
Plus
Yeah.
31 minus 1.
Now
D is 12. Now 3 plus 30 into 12.
next
Then
in a given AP
plus
form, we'll take one more of this type,
3.
which is the same one.
This is A31.
Now, is this 31st term is 120 more? So look at this, A21. A31 minus A21.
So what
is
value
equal
of 360 of
n
minus 243? Now 0 minus 3. Is it right? 360. 3 here. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 more. So answer is 120.
What value? The 31st term is 120 more than the 21st term. So our answer is correct. Clear? So this is how to find the 120 more or what they are given in that problem. Right?
And
Now after this we will take one more term, the second one.
AP.
The second question, for what value is of n are the nth terms of the following two APs the same.
67, etc. etc.
APs are 13, 19, 25, etc. etc. And 69, 68, 69, etc.
17.
Okay. Also find this term.
Well,
So we have to find out the n. That means number of just terms.
find out the
And
n value.
find out which term of these two APs are same.
same.
Clear? So this is the question. Now how to proceed this question? We have to take that. First, let us
first
take
one.
the two APs nth terms.
And another one is A and N. Now what is A and the nth term? D is equal to N minus 3 is terms for this. A is equal to 2, sorry, here is P is 63. And this is 60n minus 65 minus 63.
Just
Because
you have to take like this. Or nth term what we are using?
the A N is, so
Second one is
you can
3.
read it as A N, and this is A n minus 3 is equal to
A. Now here for
A n is equal to 4A plus n minus 1 into D. And the A n is equal to A 63 plus n minus 1 equal to 2. 13, that is 63 equals plus 2. 19 minus 13 equals, this is 6n plus another one 4. This is the nth term of the first one. Nth term A n A plus n minus 1 into equals D.
Following.
69. Now and capital D n equals equal to 3 plus n minus 1 minus 69 equals minus D plus 7n minus 7.
So now we are finding the nth term of the two APs.
4.
Are clear this? The first one we are taken as the nth term as AN.
So
And here the nth term as capital AN.
What is that?
For this nth term, first term is small a, common difference is small n is equal to
here for
a
this
n.
first term is 69
Here and common difference
a
is capital
plus
61
right
is
now
equal to 7n minus
an
then
is equal
7n
to
minus
a
plus is equal to
n minus
61
plus
into
4
d. This is shifted to
this
this
is
and
the nth term of the
so this is
first one
5n. Similarly, here
65
an is equal to 65 plus
n minus 1 into
capital D. So we should take like this for this problem.
so
We should solve like
value
this.
of n
Understood?
n is equal to
Now 13
Here
is if you
a
put n is equal to
n.
13 in these,
n you will get
right? The same is equal 13 to
a means
26
13
26
plus n is
61
minus 1
87
T is
here is 13 13 sevens are here 91
n
minus is equal to
that is
69 plus
Right, something.
n minus 1 terms of
d value is
minus
this is a
here be careful
another
d
method
value is
or
negative.
another
So,
question
use the
of the same
bracket.
kind. Just
So, here
understand
is
you.
an is equal to 13 plus 6n minus 6. Here this is an is equal to 69 plus into minus minus n minus into minus plus 1. Now an is equal to 6n plus 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. This is the nth term of the first AP. And here an is equal to 69 plus 1 is 70 minus n. This is the second AP. Here, for what value of n or the nth terms of the following APs are same. Nth terms are same. Okay, these are the nth terms of these two APs. So these two APs are same. They given that. So what you can do is now equate these two. an is equal to an. This is according to statement. According to statement, nth term of this AP should be equal to nth term of this AP. Clear? Now write down this 6n plus 7 is equal to 70 minus n. Now shift this to this side. 6n minus n is 7n is equal to 70 minus 7. Now 7n is equal to 63. Then n is equal to 63 by 7. So n is equal to 9. So what value of n or the nth terms of the following APs are same? So n value is 7. For this value, the two nth terms of the two APs, the given APs, nth terms of these two given APs are same. Okay, so that is the n is equal to 9. So we have to write down the sentence like for n is equal to 9. For n is equal to 9, the nth terms of these two APs, you have to write these two APs are same. Now, and also find this term. Find this term. So shall I write here only? So here I am taking this one, or shall I rub this? So for what value is over? Now finding that term. Which term of that? So an is equal to a plus
n minus 1 into d. Okay, so which term of this ninth term of the both the one a 9 is equal to a means what? Here is 13 plus n is 9 minus 1 and d is 6. That is 13 plus 8 into 6. 13 plus 48. Now 50, 61. A9 is 61 is the term. Right. Next, for the second one, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t, capital D. So a9 is equal to a means 69 plus n means 9 minus 1 into d means minus 1 for this. So here is 69 plus 8 into minus 1, that is 69 minus 8, so this is 61. So both the terms and the terms of both are same. Clear? So this is the way to solve the problem. Understood? First, find out the nth term of first AP, then nth term of the second AP. Equate both the nth terms, you will get n. So, for what value of n? N is equal to 9. Both the APs are equal. Nth terms are same. Nth terms means 61 and 61. Both the terms. Ninth terms of both are 61 and 61. Clear? Now, next, in a given AP, or we will take one more of this type, which is the same one. For what value of n? So I am writing just to understand, I am moving on more. Third one, for what value? For what value? For what value of n? For what value of n? The n terms, the n terms of the AP, nth terms of the APs 63, 65, 67, etc. and 3, 10, 17, etc. are equal. See, just we have to find out the n value, that's all. No need of finding the term. Okay, now solution same. Solution, what you have to take? Like first one A N and another one is A N. Now for this A N, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. For this A is equal to, here is 63 and this is 63 minus 65 minus 63 equals 2. Right? Then here is second one is 3 and capital D equals 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Now AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then AN is equal to 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. That is 63 plus 2n minus 2. Then this is 2n plus 61. This is the nth term of the first AP. Then AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Following. Now AN is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. That is 3 plus 7n minus 7, or AN is equal to 7n minus 4. Now after this, so write down according to statement. What is that? Nth terms are equal. AN is equal to AN. Then here 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. Then 7n minus 2n is equal to 61 plus 4. This is shifted to this and this is shifted to this side. So this is 5n is equal to 65. Then n is equal to 65 by 5. So n is equal to 5 ones are 5 3s. This is the solution. So for what value of n? N is equal to 13. If you put n is equal to 13 in these, you will get the same. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 61, 87. Here is 13. 13 7s are 91 minus 4, that is 79 something. So both the terms are equal. So this is another method or another question of the same kind, just to understand you, right? The fourth one, some different problem. If m times the mth term, m times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times the nth term and m not equal to n, show that its m plus nth term is 0. M plus nth term is 0. Now, how to solve this? Okay, how to solve this problem? So, before starting this, let us know that how to write the nth term. Solution. Just I am recalling. Nth term, we know that nth term is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term. Similarly, mth term means am is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. Okay, if it is pth term, ap is equal to
a plus p minus 1 into d. Similarly, m plus nth term. M plus nth term is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the way of expressing the m plus nth term. So m plus nth term is like this. Okay. Now after knowing the nth term, mth term, pth term, then take that mth term. See, m times the mth term. So m times mth term, that is written by m of am, like this. Similarly, n times of nth term, that is written like this, n into an. Clear? See, if m times of the mth term of an AP is equal to n times the nth term, then so now this how to write? So I am writing this. Now mth term am is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d, and nth term is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here in one side I am writing this m plus n is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. This is a m plus nth term. So then m times mth term can be written as am, and n times nth term is an. Now according to statement, what is that? M times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times. So I'm writing this, m of am is equal to n of an. This is what the statement is given. Now m into am, you write down this, a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n into a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? Now multiply am plus m of m minus 1 into d equals an plus n into n minus 1 into d. Now take it as like this, am plus, so multiplying m square minus m of d is equal to an plus n square minus n of d. Understood? I multiply these two terms by m. Here these two terms by n. So when you multiply, you will get like this. Now shift everything to right hand side, means left hand side. Then am minus an So I shifted this to this side. AM is already there. Next you write down AM. Then what is there here? Plus m square minus m into d minus of n square minus n into d. So right hand side left out is 0. See that? Are understood? Shift these two terms to this side and write down on one side. That means with respect to the terms. Right. Now, in this, A as common, A of m minus n as common plus. In this, here look at this. This and this two terms, d is common. So I am writing this as m square minus m minus of n square minus n into d equals 0. So look at carefully how we are taken this d common. Now here a of m minus n, see this term as it is, plus here m square minus m, and multiplying these two by n minus n square plus n into d equals 0. Following? Now here this is a of m minus n plus. I am writing this as m square minus n square, right? Or you can take it m square minus n square minus of m minus n. Here this is the very important step. In these two, in minus m and plus n, I have taken minus sign common. So when you taken minus, m becomes plus. Here this plus becomes minus into minus. Clear? When you taken minus sign common, left out is minus. Okay. Now here you have m square minus n square. That is a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. Right. So here I am writing a of m minus n plus, here in this m plus n into m minus n. Here minus m minus n whole into d equals 0. Clear? Understood this? So if you are not understand, just repeat the videos and see which step you are not understand. Okay. Now here in this one again a m minus n plus. Look at this. In this and in this, m minus n, take it common. M minus n is common. Left out is m plus n minus 1 into d equals 0. Look at that. Now, next is I am writing here, in this term and in this term, m minus n, here two terms are there. In the two terms, take m minus n common, m minus n as common inside. So when you are taking the common, then big bracket, left out is a. In this term, a is left plus bracket m plus n minus 1. Okay, here is a I am writing claw bracket into d, close this, is equal to 0. Follow? Clear this? Now shift this m minus n down. Then a plus m minus n, sorry, m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. 0 by m minus n is 0. Now look at this. A plus m plus n minus 1. A plus m plus n minus 1 into d as written as a m plus nth term is equal to 0. So this is how to solve the given problem. Clear? Understood? Now here first take the nth term and then write down mth term, m times the mth term is equal to n times the nth term. Then here expand or write down the terms, mth terms and nth terms. Then multiply. Okay, multiply. Then shift to one side, make it right hand side 0. Here in this we are taking a m square minus n square as a plus b into a square minus b square formula, and then you are taking the common from this. Then again in this m minus n common, we are taking common. Then inside you will get the mth term, m plus nth term like this. Understood? So this is one more different problems, that means different problems to solve in the arithmetic progression. You may expect this for 4 marks or 3 marks.